What is cross multiplication? We normally apply cross multiplication when we have two fractions like this equal together. 2x over 3 equals 2 over 5. But before I explain how do we apply cross multiplication, I explain the reason behind that. All right, so we've done something like this before, and from the last videos, we know that we have to get rid of that 3 there. Also, we have to get rid of that 5 because they're kind of in denominator, and we want to make the fractions as simple as possible. All right, so let's apply those previous rules again and see how it works here. All right, so I want to get rid of that 3 there. How do I get rid of that? It's division, so I do reverse action, which is multiplication. Okay, so multiply by 3, and because of this equality, we have multiply by 3 here as well. What do we do with these 3 and 3? They cancel each other out. Okay, cancel out. What do I have left? 2x equals, here I have 2 times 3 over 5. Why is it times 3? Why don't I, for example, multiply 5 by 3? Is because 3 is a number, and each number can be the number over 1. For example, when I have 3, it can be 3 over 1. When I have 4, it can be 4 over 1. But when I have 4, this is not equal to 1 over 4, right? That's wrong. Okay, so instead of this 3, I can write 3 over 1. Okay, now I have two fractions multiplying to each other. 2 over 5 times 3 over 1. 2 times 3, 5 times 1. Numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator, right? Okay, so here I have 2 times 3, which is 6, over 5 times 1, which is 5, right? Well, now we want to get rid of this 5 as well. How do we get rid of that 5? Multiply by 5, right? Multiply that part by 5. Great. These two cancel each other out. 5 times 2x, 5 of 2x. It's like saying, do you remember when we had 5 of x? It was 5x. Now we have 5 of 2x. It means that 5 times 2 of those x. So 5 times 2 is 10. 10x equals 6. Well, I have 10x equals 6. What x is equal to here? X is equal to 6 over 10, 4.6. Great. So have a look at this one here. By using cross multiplication, we didn't have to do these long processes there, and we could have got from there to here. So how does that work? Cross multiplication says that, well, if I have 2x over 3 equals 2 over 5, times this by this by this equals that by that. And why is that? Because here you can see that to get rid of that 5, I should have multiplied that side by 5. And to get rid of that 3, I should have multiplied this side by 3. So this is the same thing here, right? Look, I'm multiplying this 2x by 5 and multiplying this 2 there by 3. All right, so 2x times 5 is 10x equals 3 times 2, which is 6. Have a look at this, and have a look at this. Aren't these two equal? They are equal. So we actually did the same thing, but this one is an easier way. It means that we could have done it from this way, but if we simplify this way, we can use this one. And from there, x is equal to 6 over 10. And that's it. That's cross multiplication. All right. Thank you for watching. It's Mania from Genuine Mistake. Bye.